Hi guys, have you ever thought about becoming a certified life coach? It is a job right now where we are highly in demand, right? We've gone through this crazy pandemic. People are really suffering with anxiety or depression or stress. And to give back and to help other people is such a gift. I created the live class quite a few years ago, and it is a school online which once you've joined, you get notes and modules, you get 8 modules, you get notes and worksheets and videos, and at the end of each week, you and I speak as well, and I bring in a student who has gone through it, who is your guinea pig, right? So you coach them as I coach you. And each week we build one week onto the next week, with your knowledge, all your foundations, and then your practice. It is such a great course, and people that have taken it have said to me that their life has changed. And what happens with the certified is obviously you're learning to be a coach so that you can help other people, but of course you're taking your own journey yourself. So if you are interested in to become a life coach, please get in contact with me. You can get in contact with me through either of my websites, jacquelinehurst.com or thelifeclass.com. But honestly, this is really one of the most amazing journeys. Within 8 weeks, you can start practicing and giving back and helping people, making money, running your own business. Honestly, everything about it is like tick, tick, tick. And it doesn't feel like a job. It just feels like you wake up every day and it's just a real gift to do what you do. So if you're interested in doing something like that, please get in touch.